Hi, I'm Chris with C&H Auto Accessories in Margate, Florida, and today we want to talk about covers with storage, toolboxes, swing cases, truck luggage. Come on over here. We just worked on this Ram 1500 here. Now we did put a Undercover Ultra Flex on here, and the one thing I want you to take a good look is it is a very clean look. I'm really happy how it looks. It sits in the bed. It matches the truck very nicely. It looks like it came from the factory this way. Just an all in all, a good looking cover. Now this is a work truck. The customer plans to use this for work. One of the things he asked me is, I'm going to keep a lot of tools in here, but I don't want my tools everywhere. And I said, no problem, I got a couple good ideas for you, and let's show you what we did for him today. So, now most important thing is, on this tailgate, you can't open and close the tailgate while the cover is closed. Now, I'm going to open this up here, and I'm going to show you some of the stuff we put in here. Well, I have these in my truck. They're called a Swingcase. It's made by a company called Undercover, and they're very nice because they swing right out here. They do lock, so if you want to put something in there and lock it up, you can. I don't lock mine because my cover locks, but it does have the option for this. You have a nice little tray here, so you can put all kinds of stuff in here, and you can secure it. Now, another cool thing about this, on mine, I actually use this as a cooler once in a while. I'll put sodas and beers and, of course, ice. And it's really nice. If you're sitting here to a little tailgate, you pull the little lever, swings right out here. Can I get you a drink? Very nice. Now, this customer, again, is using this for work. Also, this cover, by the way, comes with a nice little LED light. And that comes with the cover. And that really comes in handy at night and stuff. Now, we did do a left and we did a right. So, again, we got plenty of space, lots of room here. And the whole idea is, when he's done with this, he's going to fill this up with all kinds of tools, everything he needs for work. But we're not done. Now, of course, we're going to swing over here, and we're going to show you the Undercover. And I'm going to go ahead. Now, this is called truck luggage. It's made by Tuxedo. And what we have here is another opportunity for more storage. So, now I've sold these before. People put golf clubs and stuff in there, but I have this in my personal truck, and I have all kinds of camping gear. I also go snorkeling, so I have all my beach stuff in there, and it's really nice because I keep my truck clean. I actually have my tools up here. I have my fun stuff back here because I actually use my tools a little bit more often. But for him, he's going to be putting his tools in here. If you look over here, it's a nice little storage area as well, so he can put items in here. Now, he can move this in different spots. He can move back or forward, but you know, we stuck it here in the rear, and I think that's going to work just fine. So now he's got a nice little setup. Now, the way this cover works is, now if you need to access this, you open this part up, but a lot of times this will be closed, and guess what? So this is now covered, so you don't have to worry about if it, let's say you're working and it starts raining. Well, this is covered up. These guys actually, they have a seal all the way around. If this bed got wet, this stuff stays dry. So even if your bed is open, this stays dry. That stays dry, so you don't have to worry about it. And if you look over here, this has a little bed rug on here. Guess what? It's synthetic. If it gets wet, it doesn't hurt it. It's not real carpet. It just looks like it. Also, he can take and put stuff on here and not really worry about scratching the finish. He also can, if he wants to, he can actually sit on this. It does hold 400 pounds. Now, again, this is the Undercover Ultra Flex. And one thing I need to point out for you, because a lot of people are going to want to get this and get online. If you notice, the brackets that hold this, these are not the brackets that come with this. If you look very closely, they're actually the same exact brackets that came with this cover. What I did is, we basically ordered extra factory brackets, so I could attach this to this rail. The brackets that come with this do not fit. So if you go and buy an Undercover and you say, oh, I'm gonna go put this with it, and you realize, oh, it's not working. It's because I went out and bought the perfect brackets for this setup. So we're gonna close this up here. Again, another nice thing about this, he can, if the cover is closed, right, we can still access his swing case, as you can see right here. You can get in there no problem. So he doesn't have to open the cover. Now let's say he's moving something really big, and it's like, well, you know, those swing cases, even though they sit in the wheel wells here, these you can, look at this, remove them. So you can put them right in the back seat, not a problem. And like, for example, when I go make these into coolers, and it's all full of water now because the ice melted, I just take up, pour it out. Another nice thing about this over here, let's say again, if you look real closely, you see this little groove right here? These slide right out. So within 5 minutes, I can have both swing cases in the truck luggage all removed. And so if you have something big you can put in there, it's not a big deal. Of course, this folds all the way up, so you have full access to the bed. These items work very good together. The Undercover swing case, the truck seal truck luggage, and the Undercover Ultra Flex all work together very well. And I really like this. So if you got a guy who wants to use this as a work truck, like this is what he's doing here, it's not a problem. If you like, now on my truck, I have both of these, oops, and they work very nicely, but mine's more of a pleasure slash work truck, but this is going to be a work truck. Even though if you look at the truck, it's actually quite nice. And again, nothing is being seen here. It's not like your traditional toolbox where all the bad people see it sticking up there and they go, oh, this guy has valuable tools. Let's break into that toolbox. Everything is hidden underneath the cover. That's better for you because you really don't want people to know you got a truck full of tools, because people might want to steal them. And the way this is set up, it looks better, but it's better for you because everything is hidden. It's all tucked away. I think it's a great setup. It's not outrageously expensive, by the way. All of this together, I think, it's like, maybe $1,500 around there. It's not a lot of money. And it's not super hard to install, even though I prefer to do it for the customers. For example, the brackets back there, they could be a little bit of a pain to put on. So if you haven't done it a few times, you might be a little unhappy with that. So it's probably better to have a professional like us take care of it for you. And everything we have done today for this customer will come with a 1-year warranty from us. We do sell extended warranties as well, but you get for free 1 year, all your labor covered. So if the cover is not opening correctly, if one of the brackets came loose, or when the swing cases aren't swinging correctly, it is all covered by C&H Auto Accessories. Now, another nice warranty is the manufacturer Undercover gives you not 1, not 3, 5-year manufacturer warranty right from the factory. No extra charge. It's a great warranty. They really stand behind their product. So you got your 400-pound capacity, your 5-year manufacturer warranty, and just a all-in-all good-looking cover. And this hits all the boxes. It looks good, it's very functional, and it's reasonably priced. Now, if you like what you see and you like what we're doing here, please subscribe to our channel. We do appreciate that. And as always, hit that like button. We like that too. Again, I'm Chris with C&H Auto Accessories in Margate, Florida. Thank you. A couple of screw-ups there, but I think I'm okay.